Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to discuss AMD, one of the biggest names in the semiconductor industry. Even though the company recently reported strong earnings, the stock has experienced significant volatility. Many investors are now asking whether this decline represents a buying opportunity or the beginning of a much larger correction. In this video, we will analyze AMD's business model, financial performance, growth prospects, risks, and long-term potential. AMD's stock is currently trading around the $484 level, and despite impressive financial results, investors remain cautious. One of the biggest reasons behind the recent decline is the company's high valuation. Expectations for artificial intelligence growth have increased dramatically over the past few years, and investors now expect extraordinary performance from AMD every quarter. In addition, competition from NVIDIA remains intense, while concerns about future demand and supply chain challenges continue to create uncertainty in the market. AMD continues to deliver impressive revenue growth. The company recently reported quarterly revenue of approximately $10.25 billion, representing a year-over-year increase of nearly 38%. This remarkable growth was driven primarily by strong demand for data center processors and artificial intelligence chips. Furthermore, management provided optimistic guidance for the next quarter, which indicates that the company expects demand to remain strong in the coming months. AMD's financial performance remains solid despite market volatility. The company generated approximately $34.64 billion in annual revenue, while reporting net income of about $4.34 billion. Earnings per share currently stand at around $3.08, reflecting AMD's ability to maintain profitability while investing heavily in research and development. With a market capitalization approaching $790 billion, AMD has established itself as one of the world's most valuable semiconductor companies. Artificial intelligence remains the biggest growth catalyst for AMD. The company is investing billions of dollars to compete with NVIDIA in the rapidly expanding AI market. Products such as the MI series accelerators have strengthened AMD's position among cloud providers and enterprise customers. As the global demand for artificial intelligence infrastructure continues to increase, AMD could experience substantial revenue growth over the next several years. Although AMD has tremendous potential, investors should also understand the risks involved. The company's price-to-earnings ratio is currently around 159, indicating that investors have already priced in significant future growth. If the company fails to meet these expectations, the stock could face additional selling pressure. Furthermore, AMD operates in a highly competitive industry where technological innovation moves extremely quickly, making continuous investment essential for long-term success. From a technical perspective, AMD remains in a volatile trading range. The stock price is hovering near the $480 level, which has become an important area for investors to monitor. Strong support levels appear around $450 and $400, while major resistance zones can be found near $550 and $600. A successful breakout above these levels could indicate renewed bullish momentum, while a breakdown below support could signal further weakness. The answer depends largely on an investor's time horizon. Long-term investors who strongly believe in the future of artificial intelligence may view the current weakness as an attractive buying opportunity. AMD possesses strong leadership, innovative products, and exposure to some of the fastest-growing segments of the technology industry. However, short-term investors should be prepared for continued volatility because the stock's valuation remains elevated. AMD remains one of the most important companies in the semiconductor industry, and its future will likely be closely tied to the growth of artificial intelligence. While the recent decline has created uncertainty among investors, the company's underlying business remains strong. The most important question is whether AMD can continue delivering the extraordinary growth that investors have come to expect. Only time will provide the answer. If you enjoyed this analysis, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your opinion in the comments section. Is AMD crashing, or is this simply another buying opportunity?